everyone, it's Corey Skaggs with the Leash, and today I'm going to show you how to install our new Gen 2 product. Let's get to it. When you open your package, you're going to have a few different things. You're going to have your main tether featuring our new mini brackets. You will have your logoed colored piggyback tether. You'll have two decals, and you will have a piece of 3M protective tape. You're also going to need a couple different tools. You're going to need a 3/4 inch socket wrench, a regular 3/4 inch wrench, and you're also going to want a block of wood to stabilize your motor. Now that your motor has been stabilized, you're next going to want to remove the nut from your top motor mounting bolt. Next, we are going to want to attach the mini bracket to the top motor mounting bolt. Before doing so, make sure to take the provided bolt and slide it through the circular hole, and then you're ready to attach it. Next, you're going to want to repeat this process on the other side. Now that your mini brackets have been attached to your boat, it's time to install your leash. First, you're going to take your main tether and slide it through the gap in between your motor. Next, you're going to attach your piggyback logo tether to your motor. To do so, you're simply going to slide this around your motor, take your main tether, and slide it through each loop. Next, you are going to take your main tether and attach it to your mini bracket featuring the washer and nut provided. Next, you're going to repeat this process on the other side. Now that you have tightened each side of your mini bracket, your install is now complete. Now that your install is complete, check your trim to make sure there are no restrictions on your product. You may now add the optional 3M tape to prevent any rubbing that may occur. We have now finished the installation of your leash. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at 502-287-3614 or email us at cs.theleash@gmail.com. Thank you, and we hope your next boating experience is a safe one.